Hello, little learners! Let's go on a fun ABC adventure together. We'll learn letters from A to Z. A for apple, a red and tasty fruit. B for ball, let's play together. C for cat, meow meow. D for dog, bow wow wow. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swimming in the sea. G for grapes, sweet and purple. H for hat, wear it on your head. I for ice cream, yummy and cold. J for jug, it holds water. K for kite, flying in the sky. L for lion, the king of the jungle. M for mango, sweet summer fruit. N for nest, where birds rest. O for orange, round and juicy. P for parrot, it can talk. Q for queen, she wears a crown. R for rabbit, it loves carrots. S for sun, bright and warm. T for tiger, strong and fast. U for umbrella, it keeps us dry in the rain. V for van, let's go for a fun ride. W for watch, it tells us the time. X for xylophone, it makes sweet music. Y for yacht, it sails beautifully on the blue sea. Z for zebra, black and white stripes, so neat.